Welcome to IAS Kannada Vahini. Friends, we are discussing the question analysis, that is IAS 2020 preliminary. The special thing about this today's question is we have started the separate chapter Economic System and Indian Economy, probable questions. So we'll go ahead with the question. First I will read out the question. Which of the following items in the balance of payments are invisibles? Answer options: goods exported, goods imported, travel, fourth, investment by foreign investors, software exports. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2, 3 and 4 only, 3, 4 and 5 only, 2, 3, 5 only, 4 and 5 only. I will tell the answer later. First I will explain the different aspects of the foreign trade. I think all of you know foreign trade means the trade between the two countries or among the countries. That is usually measured in terms of balance of payments or balance of trade. These are the two peculiar terms and they appear frequently, that is in the newspaper or in the books, etc. So the first one, balance of payments, means it is a summary of the statements of a particular nation with the rest of the world regarding the imports and exports, means including visibles and invisibles. Then what do you mean by visibles and invisibles? Visibles means the concrete goods or like merchandise products which can be touched and felt. That is what we call like visible goods, which can be easily seen, touched and also felt. That is what we call like visibles. Then second aspect is invisibles. Invisibles means they are not seen directly, means they are not, you can say like one cannot see it. So that is what we call like invisibles, which is not visible, it is called invisible. For example, some consultancy services, etc. So this is the difference between visibles and invisibles. So both constitute the balance of payments with the rest of the world and also for a particular financial year or for a particular time period. That is what we call like balance of payments. Then foreign balance of trade. Balance of trade means the country's trade relationship in terms of imports and exports with the rest of the world. Only visible items, so invisible items do not or does not come here. Therefore one should be very careful while defining the balance of trade. Balance of trade relates to only visible items of the particular nation with rest of the world. Then coming to the current account deficit, the third term. Current account deficit means when imports are more than exports in the present situation or in a current situation, then it is called current account deficit. Then it is called surplus, balanced or deficit. Surplus means exports are more than imports. Balanced means when exports are equal to the imports. When imports are more than exports, then it is called deficit, current account deficit. So these are the three terms appear in the foreign trade. Now we will come to the question. So in the given options, first and, that is goods exported, goods imported, are the two visible items. Rest of the things, travel, it is a type of service. Then investment by foreign investors, maybe like portfolio investors, that is also invisibles. Then software exports, also invisibles. So 3, 4, 5. So answer will be C. In the C, 3, 4, 5, that is the correct answer for this question.